Please gently feel the sensations of your body breathing. Take a deep, full breath, starting at your lower belly and inhaling all the way to the top of your shoulders. Holding for a count of 7. Rounding your lips and allowing the air to leave your body naturally. Continue feeling your body for a few more moments as it returns to its natural breathing rhythm. And now please feel the sensations in the area of your eyes. You might experience pressure, tingling, warmth or coolness. And please invite your eyes to soften as much as it's possible for them right now. Then feeling and relaxing your jaw. Experiencing the sensations of your neck and shoulders and inviting them to soften. Perhaps pulling your shoulders away from your ears and relaxing them back and down. Feel the sensations of your hands and invite them to relax. And feel your lower back and abdomen, inviting their muscles to relax and soften. When you're ready, feel your whole body sitting and breathing for a few more moments. Sitting, experiencing its weight, support of the chair or couch you're sitting on. As a bonus, you can also add a little smile. That's it. Well done. How does your body and mind feel after this short practice? Thank you for feeling and relaxing, and please enjoy it.